Alright, Norman. Ross here, got your boiler going. 20-inch boiler. 32 inches high. Plus the base. Plus the stack. Makes it about 80 inches tall, normal height. It's got 22.5-inch copper tubes rolled in. And it's got the water set glass right here. Always fill it with water first before you ever start a fire. The tricock's right there. Top-off valve is set at 100 pounds. If it works properly, I will remove this valve here. And the whistle is a really nice 2-inch whistle. Turn down your volume maybe. There's a nice tone to it for a single chime. I did not receive my switches for this pump, and trust me, it works just fine. I'll get those switches in a couple days. They're outdoor switches that go with it as well. The fill and drain is right here. You can blow down the boiler once a week or so. Really nice gauge on it. This is the blower valve. You can kind of hear it inside. There's a ring inside with holes in it that create a lot of draft. And the firebox, I stuffed it full. Getting hot here. Working real nice. So that's about it. If any of you guys would like a boiler like this, I have one more building. My name is Ross Bendixen. My number is 206-948-0770. And my email address is Steam. That's ANACORTESSTEAM @gmail.com. Thanks for watching.